What's up, guys? How y'all doing today? I want to do a quick check on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. It just received a new update, Android 8.0 Oreo, and I just want us to dive in here and look at a couple of things that have changed, in this new update. So the first thing we're going to go about here is we're going to just go to the settings of the device and see. There's one of the things I noticed here is that the settings have been changed a bit. Like if you look up here, up this point here, you see a logo there, which now says the your Samsung account info just appears there. Just like the iOS where you now have your info there, just like your iCloud on iOS is what I mean. And things have changed. So and I think this is a big improvement because in previously I would have to go around to go and look at my Samsung account, but for now I can just check here to see. Excuse me, I think I have a low battery, so I can just go there now to see my Samsung account, and every details will be changed, the password or anything. And if you also go down here, a couple of other things have changed too. If I go to the about of the device, you see here it has we now have the about of the device. It has been changed, shows me my phone number there, shows the model of my device and stuff, my slot 1 and slot 2 IMEI, which I think is kind of cool. I hope you can see that. See, that's redefined, and which is kind of okay. And then moving forward from there, if we also now go to another thing we're going to look at, there is the gallery. Now if I open my gallery here, I got in pictures, but there's this new feature here which I think is kind of cool. If I open up a video, for instance, let me go to my downloads. Say you have a video in your gallery. If you go to the video and hover over it, you just see that automatically the video just starts playing, without you having to let me turn this over so you see. I don't know if you can flip. Okay, so you notice that automatically the video starts playing, just like on Facebook or on WhatsApp or on Instagram rather, without me playing the video. It just starts playing. And if I also hover around like this, you see this small volume icon here that is crossed out. So if I tap it, you see, just starts getting the audio. I haven't even clicked play. So this is sort of like a preview of a video in your gallery before you start playing it. If I hover over any other video here, let me just show you that. If I go over any other video, automatically it just starts playing like that. And I think that is kind of cool because since it is not taking data or anything, you're not spending anything on it, so it's kind of cool to me. You see that icon there. So if I tap it now, you can see that if I just tap it, it stops playing. That is kind of cool to me. So that's one more thing too. And also another new feature I just saw that they've added here is the tagging feature. Like previously I think I could only see this on the, let's say on the I think it was only on Google Photos. So now if on this new update, if I open my gallery, perhaps I come to any photograph, like check this out. This is a photo of me and my dad. If you see there, okay, I think I've already tagged this one. Let me check another photo. All right, let me see this one. Okay, hold on, let me get a photo that can actually show me that. Okay, check this out. This is me here. Come on, you can see that. You see that? I don't know if you can see that. It shows my name there, Kingsley Keba. So any photo I go on in my gallery or in this device now, and I check my name, I check there, you're just gonna see my name will just automatically appear. And that is what I think. Look at that. See that? That's a photo of me and my dad. You see my name has appeared on my photo. That is something I think is kind of cool. It's beautiful. That's one thing Samsung has done there that is quite improved. And also, if you look at the home screen now too, what they have done to the icons here, before in the previous update, like on the Nougat version, once you tap on an icon and hold it down, it's going to ask you to delete. Just going to get an X in front of it. But on this new update now, what they have done is, once you tap on an icon, let's say for instance, this is my WhatsApp right here. Hope you can see that. Once I hold my WhatsApp and tap it, you see, check that out. Let me see, make sure you see that. Alright, there you go. So you can see it just brings out this menu now, just like on the iPhone 6s. It brings out this menu and shows me if I just want to, if I click here, and it just allows me to take a video and send it, post it straight to WhatsApp for somebody. If I also click it there and hold it, it now shows me a few other options. These are people I chat with often, and you see they just appear there, so I can just click there like that and just go straight to that WhatsApp chat, which is kind of cool. And also they still allow me to give you this option here that you can select. If you click there, you can select more than one application, and you can just click here to remove it from home screen, which is kind of cool. So and when you press this, actually it brings different options for different applications. Like on the phone app here, if I press it, you see that it gives me option. I can actually just maybe just search for, if I click on the search, it just takes me there to search for a phone number. If I hold down there, if I click on missed calls, it just takes me to the missed calls folder on my device, which is kind of cool, you know, for this, because you don't, it just make everything very easy. And also one other thing too they've added here is the Samsung Experience 9.0, which means I just swipe up and down to access my menu. I don't really have to go through clicking here first before I can access my menu. I just do this and do that to access my menu, just like the Galaxy S8 and S9 and some other devices, you know. And those are cool. And also on the camera app, if I go to my camera here, and you see, you can see that if I turn on my selfie camera, they have these new stickers here, these new animations here, just like on the Galaxy S9, which is kind of cool. You see that? So you can actually just tap this to add different this and that and that. That is one addition that there's the only addition I saw there to the camera setting. And then also on the music player, that's an official Samsung music player here. If you open it and you are playing a song, for instance, check this out.
What is this magic?
Can you see that?
I need that magic.
The green around? Sorry. So what you're really going to notice there is that the background, the theme of this song is actually green. So once I start playing a track, like let me play that track again. Just look at the device, look at the edges here. You can see that green just starts going around. That green just starts going around, you know, forming like a ring while the music is playing. It's a new addition and it's kind of cool. It makes the music player look interesting. Can you see that? Look at that. See, let me see for any other song that has a more let me see. Okay, play me my 48 Laws of Power here. Check that out. Let me put that up if you can see it. So look at that. You can see I don't know if you can really see this there, but you just see this green or this red theme circling around the device while the music is playing, which is kind of cool and it makes things good. And also there's this beautiful feature also that Samsung has also added on this new update, and that's the fact that almost all my apps now, they bring notifications for me. I kind of like that, you know. I kind of like that because on the previous OS, one problem I had was whenever I have notifications, most times I always have to go and tap the app and check before I see that but on this new device now, on this new update rather, every notification that comes in, it pops, indicates on the app, all the apps, any one that has a notification, it indicates here, and it's kind of cool, and it helps me now. Most times I just look at my Instagram. I've not even opened it. I'll just look at it, and I'll just see it colors red. I'll just know that okay, fine, now I have notifications and all that. So those are kind of cool things I've seen. Some of the features. Well, and also guys, you can also see my home screen here. And I like the way they have done this. If I tap this always on screen, I tap this clock, you can see now that in this new update now it shows seconds, unlike the previous times where it just shows you the minutes and stuff. Now you can see it shows you seconds alongside, which is kind of cool, you know. And at least I can check how many seconds that it's gonna be to the next minute, you know. So that is one thing. And is there other thing I've not covered here? I'm looking. Nothing really. I checked the secure folder. They didn't do anything to this, you know. Everything here has still stayed very much the same. Nothing has been done to that. So that's it, guys. Those are one or two things that I've observed on this new update. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll keep doing this. All right, you stay safe, be cool, bye.